T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1, 0, and liftoff.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. It's been a tough week, but this sector has produced cancer news after cancer news after cancer news, and the stocks have benefited. Ticker symbol LIXT went absolutely crazy today. If you knew how to trade it, you made a lot of money. They dropped some news, I guess around 8 o'clock, and it just went up. I actually wasn't looking at it around that time, but I saw it when it was around 260. I read the news, was very familiar with the actual stock. The sector is hot right now. I love the retracement. I put on my indicators and my tools, and I looked at the chart, looked at the numbers, decided what was a good entry point for me. At the time that it was around 250, 262, I was looking at level 2, and level 2 was not as great as I would like for it to be. There weren't a lot of buys. I guess people were scared because of the big retracement, or the pullback, whatever you want to call it. And people, I guess they were scared, thought it was just a quick flash in the pan and didn't want to risk it. But I was actually familiar with this stock, and like I said before, the sector was hot, and I liked the retracement. So I actually wanted to see it bounce off of 245, around 245. And it did that, and I got in around 251. And after that, it went all the way up to 495. And that was a pretty easy play because I had my tools on, and it was just going through resistance, just popping through resistance. And after the halt, I actually was looking at it and I was like, wow, this is about to halt. And that's exactly what happened. And after it came out to halt, it came down a little bit, but it went all the way up to 495. And with moves like this, you're never going to get all of the move. What you want to do is that as it goes up, you do want to sell some. You want to, lock it in, lock those profits in, and watch it keep breaking resistance and keep going and keep going. Sell when you are comfortable with the profit, or you see that it is not breaking resistance anymore. But that was pretty easy. Now, what I made off of that was around 88%. Let's see in the picture. It actually went up to around 90%, but I was able to get around 88. And when you know how to trade in these things, you're prepared for things like this, and you trade it almost perfectly. I'm into teaching people rather than, just give out picks. But sometimes the picks are not all, they don't always do what you expect them to do. And sometimes, they go down and they never even meet conditions. But when you can teach somebody how to do it, then you can eat for a lifetime. if you are interested, then send me a message on Twitter or my email. What's my email? My email is mr.allstreet312@gmail.com, and I actually have a 70 to 80 minute video detailing 3 indicators and tools that I use on every trade for better entries and better exits. I do charge for the video because I put a lot of time and effort into making the video, but it's very much worth it. If you can't invest in your future, your trading future, then you really shouldn't be trying to trade. Everyone that I know has always spent some money trying to learn. We have the rest of the week. There's 2 more days left. Manage risk. Do your due diligence before every trade, and make